Singers Terry Davis, Respected Artist International, RAI Voice. I'm no longer in Saskatchewan, Canada, but now in mid-Michigan. Also equally beautiful, if not more so, than Saskatchewan. Here with your vocal pro tip. I teach often a concept that when you are singing and you need it to be lyrical and sweet and pretty, I want you to think in your head that your voice is like the bow of a violin on the strings, and you want it to glide, not push down, but glide. So something like si tu mavi, si tu sos mi sol per, versus say to mommy, say to so spiri sol per. Okay, we don't want that. Terry Davis, Respected Artist International, RAI Voice.